Lenovo will unveil the Lenovo Legion Y70 smartphone on August 13th in China. Before launch, a couple of official images of the device have surfaced to give a good look at its appearance. The Legion Y70 runs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8 cores, clocked at up to 3.2 GHz. The amount of LPDDR5 RAM will be up to 16 GB. The capacity of the UFS 3.1 flash drive is up to 512 GB. The Legion branding reveals that the Legion Y70 will be a gaming phone. However, its images show that it will be a toned-down device as compared to the Legion Y90 that debuted in March 2022. The Chinese manufacturer has confirmed that the Y70 will come in 3 colors: Isol White, Titanium Crystal Grey, and Flame Red. Among the three, the red variant sports a dual-tone appearance. To recall, the middle portion of the Y90's back panel features a dual-camera setup and an RGB light panel. However, the Y70 sports a regular appearance with a triple-camera unit placed at the top left corner. The camera setup comprises a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS support, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro snapper. The Legion Y70 features a punch-hole display at the front. Its previous tender listing has revealed that it will have a 6.58-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display. It will probably support a high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. It will feature a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset will power the Legion Y70. The device is expected to ship with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It will draw power from a 4800 mAh battery, which carries support for 68-watt rapid charging. Its other features include an in-screen fingerprint scanner and Android 12 OS with a ZUI custom skin on top. At present, there is no information on the price of the Y70. Lenovo today officially announced its first virtual reality headset, the Lenovo Legion VR 700, which will be available soon. Lenovo uses a unified product naming method in the Lenovo Legion line, so the new smartphone will be called the Lenovo Legion Y70, the tablet will be the Y700, the laptop will be the Y7000, and the upcoming virtual reality headset will be called the VR 700. Lenovo's first VR headset will be running on the Qualcomm XR2 platform, and will launch alongside the new Lenovo Legion Y70 mobile phone. So far, Lenovo has only posted images without giving any details. I hope this video was interesting for you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.